This tutorial shows how to register to the EPSRC Design for IAM network directory. In the Design for IAM network website, we can see that in the drop-down menu, there are new options, and among those, there is a directory drop-down menu. If we click on the directory drop-down menu, there are 4 different web pages we can access. The first one, called Introduction to the Directory, shows a brief description of what the directory is and how to register to the directory. The directory list, instead, shows the members who are already registered to the directory and their profiles. For instance, if we click on the first one, we can see a profile picture, name, email address, work address, a bio, research interest, expertise, key research themes connected to the Design for IAM network, a link to the personal page, and a link to publications. We can also go back to the directory list and search within the members' profiles. For instance, if we type education, we can retrieve all the people who have added the word education within their profiles. Here we can see another profile. There are other 2 options that I would like to show you, register and log in. If we click register, we can find a page where we can create new accounts and new directory profiles. We need to input a username, an email address, and a password. The software provides automatically a password that we can change if we wish so. This password is important, and we should copy it into a safe location so that we will be able to use it later on to log in into the directory. Then we can add our full name, the organization we belong to, the email address that we will want to show on the directory. Eventually, we can also copy and paste the email we just provided for the login or choose a different one. We can then add a short bio, our research interest, our expertise, and the key research themes of the D4IM network we are interested in. For instance, D4IM for education, design for 3D printing electronics, or computational design tools. If we wish to select more than one research theme, we can click and hold the Control button on the keyboard, and then we will be able to select one or more research themes we are interested in. Following this, we can provide a link to our personal web page as well as a link to our publication list. Finally, we should consent with the privacy notice and then click on the button to complete the sign up procedure. After we have clicked on the sign up button, we should see a page that will invite us to look at our email account and check the activation email. It takes a couple of minutes for the activation email to arrive. When arrived, we will have to click on the link provided in the email, and then we will be able to access and activate our account. After clicking the activation key provided in the email, we will need to press the activated button on the D4IM webpage. At this point, our account is activated and we can log in using the email address we have provided during the registration process, as well as the password we have saved before. We are now logged in the D4IM webpage, and we can go into the directory, and under Profile, we can see our profile with all the information that we have provided during the registration. If we want to change or cancel this information, we can just click on Edit, and we will be able to change our full name, email, organization, add a short bio, update our research interest, our expertise, the Design for IAM key research themes, as well as the links to our personal page or publication. When we have completed our changes, we can just click on Save Changes and go back to our profile. If we wish, we can also add an image profile to our account by uploading an image. When uploaded, we will be able to crop the image to a square size, then click Crop, and then the image will be added to our profile. There is also the option to take a photo if you have a webcam. Another option is to change the cover image. Here we will be able to upload a cover image to our profile page. We can select a file and then add a cover image to the profile. Here we can see the cover image that we have just added. The image will need to be wider than 1500 pixels and taller than 225 pixels. The cover image will when uploaded, we can go back to our profile page and then we will see the changes that we have just made. Now our profile is ready and we can go back to the directory and we will be able to see our profile among those of the other members. Thank you for following this tutorial, and we hope you will enjoy and find the directory useful.